Welcome to this hypnosis session designed to help you overcome your driving test anxiety.
It's July 24th of 2023. So
Anxiety.
just this past July.
Okay, so July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So
Yep.
you're eligible for March.
Yep.
Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lay down where you won't be interrupted.
This one on Friday.
Interrupted.
Yeah, I got them all on my phone. I just don't remember like when.
Oh yeah, for specific people, of course. You have so many people you deal with every day,
I
right?
did that online, or did you through Debbie at work at?
Yeah, I went through Debbie.
TCC?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I called her and booked.
Take a moment to get into
Yeah, it was
a
awesome.
relaxed
All my hours booked
position
the time frame I wanted, right?
and
So we're all
close
before
your
March.
eyes. And
Like, I think my last one's
close
on the 28th
your
of February or
eyes.
something, maybe.
And close
Somewhere.
Yeah, you'll probably go for your road
eyes.
test in March then for sure.
Yeah.
Because right now I'm hearing the wait time at the test center is approximately a month,
Oh.
maybe 3 weeks or so.
Oh,
It's not
just
too long.
Just to write your, or not write, but do your G2 test.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Take a deep breath in, allowing your lungs to fill with fresh air. Fresh air.
Oh, I can
Take
imagine.
that long for that.
Fresh
Oh, I can
air.
just imagine how bad that would be.
Fresh air.
That's what I was worried about. I was kind of like concerned because I was like, oh shoot, I hope I can get all my hours before March, before I can get my G2, so I can get it as soon as I can.
Yeah, it's a good thing you booked them when you did then, because
Oh yeah.
generally we'll like right now I'm starting to book right into April.
And as you exhale, let go of all the tension in your body.
And
In your
January,
body.
January, and
In your body.
they're like, yeah, we can get you all in for February. I'm like, all right, I'm in.
So I'm gonna start from here.
Feel the weight of your body sinking into the chair.
Today it's really basic. You're going for 1 hour. Where are we finishing?
Just on Barry down to one of the apartment buildings.
Okay, right. I remember seeing your address there. So you're going home after this. Okay.
Yep. Yeah.
All right.
Not
so
too far.
And let go of any thoughts or worries that may be lingering in your mind. In your mind. In your mind. In your mind.
You don't have to worry about anything in this area.
Yep.
You don't have to worry about the buttons on the steering wheel.
Nope.
I'll show you a few things there later on.
Okay.
Left signal, right signal. I show that to people now because I get some people from different countries and everything's on that side.
Oh yeah.
And so the signal arm is on this side for them. So if I ask them for a left or a right, this thing goes on. So,
Oops.
but
Yeah.